Hi, everybody. Welcome back. We are here for the Savage X Twice as Nice Fenty VIP box. And as you guys know, I have the monthly VIP subscription, which is now $60 a month. You can cancel your monthly between the 1st and the 5th if you don't want to pay that much. But with one member credit, you can always get the VIP box. So I did get the Twice as Nice VIP box. So let's see what's in it. This was supposed to be like a his and her set, but I'm wearing the whole thing. Screw that. Okay. So this came free with the box.
Oh, cute.
So I thought
love
that was
that
super
color.
cute. Me too.
And it's not scratchy, y'all. Nice and soft.
Y'all know we do the not scratchy here. So the first in the set is a really soft, comfortable tank top. The X on the back. You got the front. And then you have the shorts. Now this is supposed to be the his set. I'm wearing this whole thing. And I'm being sexy and ready for the holidays in my house. That's how you get ready for Santa.
Ho ho ho.
That's right. And then we have the women's side of it. It comes with cute little red fuzzy slippers.
Too cute.
I know.
And they really are fuzzy.
Yes.
Nice.
And then it comes with the tank top, which I thought was so cute. And it has little bows on it. You can see Savage X is right there. And then it comes with the little panties too.
Cute, y'all.
Okay, I'm not mad.
These are comfy.
Yes, it's that comfy, stretchy material.
Ooh, nice.
So they're gonna be able to hold in the girls.
Even the waistband is nice. It's not that.
You don't see too many.
Tight.
Yeah, you don't see too many companies care about waistbands.
Yeah, and it makes a difference, especially after a couple of washes.
Yes.
Start get all scratchy.
Yeah, so I gotta the leg part shrink and you gotta pull it to get a little room because it held. Yeah.
This is really nice.
So I cannot wait to get sexy
Mm-hmm.
at home with my twice as nice set. Like I said, it wasn't his and her set, but I'm wearing the whole damn thing.
Yeah.
Cause your girl's single.
Yeah, but still.
Yes, I like boxer shorts. I have black ones like this, and I love them.
They're nice.
Yes, and it's soft and it's silky.
I think this could be either or. I think this could go for
I
it.
ain't give a damn either way. I'm wearing the whole thing for me.
Now,
Cause I'm gonna mix and match.
now, guys, I wouldn't recommend you try to put these on, but
Hey,
these are definitely. Yeah, I mean, I would just order that for myself.
right.
Definitely.
So I'm happy. Let me guys know below if you guys got the twice as nice set.
Do they? Oh, sorry about that.
No.
Do they have them for women?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Well, actually, you can just order from the men's section if you want.
Okay, but I was just wondering if they made them.
Yeah, but they do have certain collections.
Like
where
this for
have
women.
Yeah, because
Okay.
I have the black pair for women.
Okay, because
I think the legs are just shorter when it comes to the women's side.
Okay, because I was gonna say, wait a minute now, we like these too. But okay, but yeah, those are really nice.
Yes. So let me guys know if you got the twice as nice set, if you're sharing it with someone special, or if you're keeping the whole thing for yourself, like your girl right here.
I raised her right, y'all.
In life, there's black and white, but with us, you guys are getting 2 shades of gray. Bye, guys.
Happy holidays.
Happy holidays.